How to turn $1,000 into $10,000 with a smart investing. Many people think you need a lot of money to start investing, but the truth is, even a smaller amount can grow into something big with the right strategy. If you save or if you have $1,000 and want to turn it into $10,000, you need to invest wisely and be patient. In this video, I will show you a step by step how to grow your money through a smart investing. You will learn where to invest, how to reduce risk, and how to maximize your returns. The mindset of a smart investor is before you invest, you need the right mindset. Investing is not about gambling or making money overnight. It requires patience, research, and a smart decision making. The key is to focus on long term growth instead of trying to get rich quick. Successful investors understand that a small, a smarter investment compound over time. The power of compound growth. One of the best or most important investing concept is compound growth. This means your money grow not only from your original investment but also from the profits you earn over time. For example, if you invest $1,000 and earn a 10% return per year, your money will double in about 7 years. If you reinvest your profit, your money keep growing faster. Where to invest $1,000 for maximum returns. Now, let's talk about the best place to invest $1,000 is. There are many options, but I will focus on the best ones that have a high potential for growth while keeping risk low. One of the safest and most profitable investment in index fund. These are funds that track the overall stock market like the S&P 500, and investing in index fund allow you to grow your money with less risk. Another option is stocks in high growth companies. Investing in companies that are growing rapidly can help you multiply your investment. If you prefer a hands off approach, you can invest in robo advisors. These are automated platforms that invest your money in the best asset based on your goals. For those willing to take more risk, cryptocurrency can be an option. Bitcoin and Ethereum have grown significantly over the year, but they are also very volatile, so we caution. How to reduce risk and avoid losing money. While investing can grow your money, there are risks involved. The best way to reduce risk is by diversifying your investment. This means not putting all your money into one stock or one type of investment. For example, instead of investing all $1,000 in one stock, you can split it between an index fund, a few individual stocks, and maybe some crypto. It is also important to avoid emotional investing. Many people panic when the market drops and sell their investment at a low. A smart investor stay calm and focus on long-term growth. How to scale your investment from $1,000 to $10,000? Growing your money takes time, but there are strategies to speed up the process. One way is to reinvest your profits. Instead of spending your earnings, reinvest them so your money grow faster. Another strategy is to keep adding to your investment. If you invest an extra $100 or $200 every month, your money will grow even faster. Finally, look for new opportunity. Keep learning about different investment and take advantage of new trends like AI, technology, stock, and real estate. Real life example of successful investor. Many successful investors started with a small amount. Buffett, one of the richest investors in the world, started investing with just a few $1,000s and grew it into billions. Another example is people who invest in companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla earlier on. Even a smaller investment in these companies 10 years ago would have turned into thousands of dollars. The importance of patience and long term thinking. The biggest mistake new investors make is expecting quick results. Growing your money takes time. The stock market goes up and down, but over the long term, it has always increased in value. If you stay patient and follow a smart investing strategies, your $1,000 or $1,000 can turn into $10,000 and even much more over time. Investing is one of the best way to grow your wealth. Even if you have only have $1,000, you can turn it into $10,000 with smart investing. Start by choosing the right investment, reduce your risk by diversifying, reinvest your profit, and stay patient. Let me know in the comment what your favorite investment strategy is. Don't forget to like this videos and subscribe for more investing tips.